So week 2 of HelloFresh has turned up, and I wonder what is in this week's lovely box. Oh, it's never an easy box to open. So, this week's bounty is creamy chicken pasta, pork pappardelle, we've got the quick and sticky beef, and the barbecue sausage cheeseburger. And obviously in here we have all the coleslaw mixes. We've got spinach this week, burger rolls, all the small things. Stop it. So this week's box is a bit of a bounty. We've got fresh chicken, pork mince, sausage meat, creme fraiche, beef strips, mature cheddar, grated mozzarella, spinach, coleslaw mix, pastas veg, rice, spaghetti, focaccia, rolls, and then all the mayonnaises, soy sauce, stocks, and Italian herbs. This is this week's food. So tonight we're going to try making these herby burgers with potato wedges and the tomato salad. I'll let you know how it goes. So to be honest with you, this one was quite an easy one to make. Just cut your potatoes up, need to peel them, salt and pepper, into wedges, put them on a tray. We put them in the actor fry. Get prepared, parsley, chilli, shallots and garlic. Make your beef burgers, really good. And then we're on this stage now cooking the burgers. Kate has made the salad. And here we go. All we've got to do is put a bit of mayonnaise on the bottom of each bun and a bun on top. Potato wedges and salad. Most important. So we're on this stage now. Mayonnaise on each bun. And then enjoy. So tonight's little feast is going to be the herby burgers with the salsa and the wedges. Burger buns with golden linseed, so we're just going to put these in the oven just to warm them through. And here are the herby burgers, which is really nice. Lovely bit of spark on the outside of those. Okay, so the only thing we do differently is we cook the wedges in the actor fry. You know, they just come out there a lot healthier and a lot nicer. So this has got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You don't want cheese in yours, Ben?
There are the wedges. So they're just cooked a little bit healthier rather than cooking in the oven. Cooking with the actor fry. That's the only thing we do different. Okay, so here it is. Here is the herby chili beef burger. The wedges, tomato salad, as you can see, it's a bit wet, but you know, it's okay. Burger, and it is really tasty.